Hey, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I'm Kevin. You know, has anybody seen Patrick from Patty Joe Cooking? You know, I haven't seen him for a while, and you know, he used to hunt wild spam down there in Australia, and I'm just wondering if he got a hold of a poisonous one. You know, down in Australia, all them spiders and spams and everything down there is poisonous and wants to kill you. Most poisonous snakes in the world, all of that. So I'm really worried about him. I hope he's okay. So in his honor, I'm not sure what happened to him or where he's at, but because of him, I'm going to go hunt some wild spam here in the U.S. This spam I'm going to hunt has bacon in it, so it's a little slower. It's not as poisonous, and I think I can catch me some. All right. Got me some spam with bacon. I'm going to make my version, or a version, of a Hawaiian sandwich, and it's going to have spam. And we're going to smoke it on the Pit Boss Lexington 500, and I'm also going to smoke some pineapple along with it. If you've never had smoked pineapple, stick with us. I've got that thing set on smoke level P5, I believe, or P6. Put it on P6. I want to have a low smoke, as this is already cooked. It doesn't need to cook. I just want to get some smoke on it, and I'm probably going to leave it in there for about an hour. So let me go show you how to skin this, how to prepare it, and yeah, we'll bring it out to the Pit Boss. All right, so the first thing you got to do after you catch some wild spam with bacon is you got to skin it, right? So this is how I go about skinning the wild spam with bacon. Start with removing the skin, just like that. There it is. There's our wild spam with bacon. All right, so when you prepare this, you actually want to slice this against the grain so it makes it more tender and easier to chew when you're eating it. So on this one, the grain looks like it's going this way, so I'm going to go down this way. I think I'm going to get about 4 pieces out of this wild spam. All right, so you just want to cut down against the grain the best you can. Kind of putting up a little fight there. All right, so I got 4 pieces of wild spam, and I'm gonna put some I'm gonna let it soak here for about 5 or 10 minutes with some P.F. Chang's sweet chili sauce. Now, all I'm really gonna do is just kind of pour it on there, brush it on. You don't really have to marinate it too long. I just want to have some on there so when I smoke it, the smoke will absorb also into the sauce. So we'll turn it over, do the other side. All right, and so while these are sitting and marinating kind of in this red chili sauce, I'm going to go get the pineapple prepared. All right, well, just about got the pineapple prepared. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, since I have 4 of these spam steaks that we're going to put for our sandwich, we're going to need 4 pineapple rings. And I just got these all cut up and prepared, just like that. And then we're going to need the chili sauce, just a little bit on each ring. All right, so now I want to transfer these to my tray here. If you use one of these, don't forget, have the feet sticking up so you can slide these things around if necessary. Okay. Just makes them easier to handle when you got them on a screen like this. All right, so now we're going to take these and we're going to go get some smoke on them for about an hour. Look at that. It already looks good. And we could eat it just like that. Spam's already cooked. I already got the pineapple prepared. We could just throw a sandwich together, but we have to add some smoky flavor. So we just want to get this in the old Pit Boss. See how that makes it easy to slide? All right, we're going to leave these in here for about an hour. For our Hawaiian sandwiches, we're gonna have some. I'm gonna make a little spread. This has got some fancy dukes with lime in it. So we're gonna take a nice spoonful of this, a couple spoonfuls, and we're just gonna pour some this sweet chili sauce on there. This will give it a little bit of heat, more flavor, more chili flavor. All right, that's better. And you know what we're going to use for our buns today? This is a Hawaiian sandwiches. We've got some King's Hawaiian hamburger buns. All right, it's almost an hour. Let's see how they're doing. They look like they're getting some color. Looking good. I think on 2 of them I'm going to put a little bit of cheese. I'm going to go with American and a white American, white cheese. All right, we're going to let these go probably 5 or 10 more minutes, get some more smoke, and let that cheese melt. All right, I think the cheese is melted enough there. Let's get this off of here. Look at that. Huh? All right, let's take this in, let it rest. I'm going to crank up the pit faucet to come out and toast up some buns. That's not too bad. Right, let's get these Hawaiian spam burgers, spam sandwiches put together. So we want our bun, one with the American cheese. We'll get the one with the white cheese, white American cheese. Okay, we're going to add some more of this sweet chili and mayo sauce. We're going to lay our pineapple right on top of it. All right, and then of course, we've got our top buns, and I'm going to put a little bit more of that mayo on there, sweet chili mayo. All right, there you go. My Hawaiian spam sandwiches, smoked Hawaiian spam sandwiches on the Pit Boss pellet grill. Check that out. Look at that. Got the pineapple in there, the spam, King's Hawaiian buns. Oh yeah, let's give this a taste. But you know, we got to cut one open, right? All right, let's cut this one open and give it a look. Buns are soft. Let me turn it so I don't hit the camera. All right, you ready? There you go. There's the cheese, the sauce, the pineapple, the spam. Let's go take a taste. All right, there we go. Check that out. Look at that. Hey, it's gonna be messy. Yeah. It's not messy, it's no fun, right? All right, here we go. Hawaiian spam sandwich, burger, whatever you want to call it. The King's Hawaiian hamburger bun. Wow. That is amazing. That smoked spam and the smoked pineapple. Great, great flavor. That sweet chili mayo, extra good. All right. Get you some spam with bacon. It's a lot easier to catch. Here in the U.S. anyway. Make you some spam sandwiches, Hawaiian spam sandwiches. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day. Give these a try.